My laptop screen is blurred. What to do? Yes, you are listening right. Many times it happens with us that we feel that our laptop screen is very blurry and what we can do. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now, welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do and gonna talk about this. One day I was pressing some keys in my laptop and instantly from this screen it goes to this screen and I started feeling like that my screen is out of order and it's damaged or it has any kind of problem. We have to get replaced the screen or we have to do much more. Then I found a option and after that it solved my life. Yes, you are listening right, and it will save your life too because if you are working like this, it has a, as you can check out, I am seeing it from side right now and it's, now we can see it. But if this option is enabled, we can see it from front side only, but we can't see it on from sidewise. That means it is a feature of your laptop. Yes, you are listening right, it is a feature of your laptop. Now what the solution for this, you can check out into your keyboard and you will find a screen indication like this one is the screen indication. We have to choose that screen indicator using the Fn key. In many scenario it is with the Fn and press this key, but in mine scenario it just we I have to press this button 1 2 3 and it's started working, and I press again it stops working. That means it's blurred vision. If you want, if as you can check out from sideways you can see right now, and if you don't want that anyone see from sideways, just press this and voila, you only can see your laptop screen. So that's the way how you can do or use this feature, but many times it's become very hard to us. So hope you understood that how you can solve this problem. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like that, and comment below we saved your life or not.